In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy GitHub project on Vercel. We'll start right in the browser, search for how to deploy GitHub project on Vercel, then open the official Vercel documentation. This gives you the big picture and the exact terms you'll see in the dashboard. From there, head to the section on continuous deployment. That page explains how every push to your GitHub repository can automatically create a fresh deployment. You'll also notice a last updated note on the docs page, which is helpful to confirm you're following the latest guidance. Before touching Vercel, prepare your GitHub project. Make sure your code is committed and pushed to GitHub, and that the default branch you plan to deploy from is up to date. If you use a framework like Next.js, React, or Vue, confirm your package. JSON includes the correct build and start scripts. For a simple static site, ensure index.html is in the project's root or the correct subfolder. Keep your Gitignore in place so large folders like node modules aren't pushed, and include an example ENV file if your app needs configuration. Now log into Vercel. If you don't have an account yet, sign up and connect it to GitHub. The free tier is perfect for getting started. Next, import your repository. In the Vercel dashboard, click Add New, then Project. Under Import, Git Repository, select GitHub and look for your repository. If you don't see it listed, click Adjust. GitHub App Permissions and grant Vercel access to the specific repository or to all repos in your account. Return to Vercel, refresh the list, and when your project appears, click Import next to its name. Configure your project settings. Choose a name and scope. And if your code lives in a subfolder of a monorepo, set the correct root directory. Vercel usually detects your framework automatically. If you're deploying a simple HTML site, choose Other, so Vercel serves your static files without a build step. Double-check the detected build command and output directory. Add environment variables if your app needs them. Create keys for the environments you'll use. Preview and production are common. And paste the values here so you never commit secrets to Git. You're ready to deploy. Click Deploy and watch the build logs. If anything fails, verify the framework preset, build command, and that your lock file is present. When the build completes, Vercel gives you a live URL. Visit it to confirm everything looks right. From now on, every push to your repository will trigger a new deployment, and pull requests will get their own